Scruffy. How you doing? Just gonna give you a treat. So I saw you through the kitchen window. I heard you meow. So I'll give you some treats, okay? So I got some kibble. Oops. It's okay. Wow, you're noisy. So yeah, I haven't seen you meow at me at night in a while. So since you did, thought I'd reward you. It's kind of cold right now, but actually not as cold as I thought it'd be. So I'm still wearing very light clothing right now, so I probably need to go in. I'm gonna freeze to death. But Scruffy's almost done. That reminds me, still need to go get some proper treats. I don't think kibble actually counts as treats. Although Scruffy's a feral cat, so everything's probably a treat for him. So I hope you enjoyed your meal. It's a quick one, huh? Yeah. Not tricking you. I put it all on the red plate. Yeah. That's all I got. Probably gave you too much. Tomorrow you're probably going to be all defensive and skittish and unmotivated because you're not hungry. Huh? Yep. Okay, well, I'll let you get back on the table. I'm surprised you jumped off. I actually was going to give you the plate on the table, but you already jumped off. Okay, I'm going to back up. Okay, going in. Okay, good night, Scruffy.